It's your birthday, yes. You're gonna make cake. Yeah, you're gonna mix the cake. Egg, yeah, egg, water, and oil, and your cake, right? So it's your birthday, and you're gonna bake a cake.
Yes.
All right. Who's gonna help you? Is Mama gonna help you? Yeah, we're making birthday cake.
Okay.
Kylie's gonna make her own birthday cake today.
Yes.
First, Mommy's gonna open this for you, and you're gonna put it in here, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Hold on. Come. You wanna throw it in here?
Yeah.
Here. Put it. You do it. Put it in. Throw it in. Here. Put it in. Stand up. Up. Put it in here.
Okay, Mommy.
Careful. Take time slowly. Alright. So, cake mix it. All done.
What do you want?
Then, you gotta add some. It says you're supposed to. Let me turn the oven on.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to Kylie.
Mommy, we're gonna open it the
Yeah, we're gonna make those too. So could you put the water in?
yeah.
Throw the water in, please. Take your time. Two hands, use 2 hands. Throw the water in. Good job. Oil? Oil. Can we get the oil, please?
Okay.
Hold on. Let me mix that salt for you. Wanna mix? You mix.
Yeah.
Mix it. Mix it. Take your time slowly. Mix it. Mix. Put oil in. That's half cup of oil. So be careful. Slowly. Good job. Good job. Could you put the eggs in too? Slowly, be careful. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. And Mommy gonna mix it now.
Mommy,
Yeah?
let's put it in the candle.
You wanna mix it?
Yeah.
Okay, mix it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sat on a speckled frog, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum.
Oh.
One jumped into
Mommy,
Hold on.
where
We don't want to make a
nice
mess.
and cool. Now there is one green speckled frog. Glub, glub.
Hold on, Kylie. You're making me make a mess. I'm gonna let you do one. Hold on.
Mommy,
1 spoon in each.
let's try it.
Hold on. Wait till I give it to you.
Little speckled frog sat on a speckled
Here,
frog,
let me give you.
eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum.
You do it. Here.
One
Take time
jumped
for
into
it.
the pool where it
For
was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Only one
Good.
little duck came back. One little duck went out
So
one
yeah,
day.
we're gonna put it in the oven and then show Grandma after, right?
Okay.
Mother duck said to see what she could see.
Yummy,
And all
Kylie?
that she could see.
Yummy?
And all that she could see.
You did a good
was
job.
The other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain was all that she could see.
Has to be so yummy.
The bear went.
Kylie wanted to go to the pool, so we decided to take her to this location, this water park, to have loads of fun, which she did. Now you guys will get a chance to see. Take a look, guys. the stranger.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's a great day. That's what we say. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.